Hi.
Hey, I was just texting you about the podcast we have today.
Are you excited about it?
Very much.
I'm a little bit nervous though.
It's okay.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye. Hello and welcome to the fourth episode of AK Talks. With you today is me, Zahra Raj from ID fourth year, and
Heat Sharma, ID first year.
so let's get started. How are things going, Heath? How are
Very
the
nice.
studies?
Studies are going well. It's just too much work to do.
I know, right? Sheets and drawing and swatches, I guess.
Plus all the events lined up together for that. So yeah.
So why did you take the interior designing?
Like I have a family business of interior
Oh,
designing.
nice.
I've seen my father doing it. I've seen my dadaji doing it.
Okay.
So like bachpan se I was into it. So that's what I opted.
Nice.
So why did you choose interior designing?
Okay, it's a little bit of long story. I'll cut it short. When I was in first year, actually my home was building, and I witnessed that many of the engineers are doing the interior designing wala part. No offense to anybody who is capable of doing that, but I noticed that there is a thin line between when engineer is designing a home and when an interior designer is designing the home. So I found that there was something called as lack of empathy. क्योंकि मेरे घर का किचन बन रहा था एंड माई मॉम इज़ अ लिटिल बिट शॉर्टर, तो हमने इंजीनियर को बहुत बार बोला दैट वी वांट द platform to be customized as per her height, but he didn't budge even a little bit. He was like कि 36 inches is the standard, you have to follow the standards, आपको बनाना ही पड़ेगा. And now my poor baby suffers a lot कि she is cooking and she has to do like that कि oh my god मेरे को अंदर दिख ही नहीं रहा कि खाना क्या बन रहा है. So that was my major reason why I took the interior designing. And मुझे थोड़ा स्टार्टिंग में लगता था कि इट्स ऑल अबाउट कलर्स एंड कर्टन्स ड्रेपरी, बट the degree has changed my perspective so much.
It's so much more.
Exactly, because you have to indulge into a lot many things rather than just what is on the surface. You go in the depth of कि कहाँ से कितनी स्पेस छोड़ रहे हैं, क्या चीज़ें प्रोवाइड हो रही हैं. ऑब्वियसली टेस्ट भी मैटर करता है, बट कुछ माइनर छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होते हैं, बेसिक्स होते हैं. Of course, standards matter, but you are customizing things as per somebody, a person, a living person. तो चीज़ों को person के according change करना would be easier, right?
So I've been here like for 2 months now, but you were here for like 3 years. So what is your experience?
Oh my god, it has been a roller coaster of a ride, I tell you. When I came in the beginning, तो like I was very bad at the arts. तो जब मैं आर्ट्स की क्लास में बैठती थी, when I used to be in रितु मैम्स क्लास, she used to tell me कि it's okay, हो जाएगा. And earlier before that, when मेरा interview was going on कि okay, I am coming to the college, तो मैंने नितिन सर को बोला था that I am very bad at arts, so is that gonna affect my capability of becoming interior designer? He was very kind towards me, and he was like, we will even teach you how to hold a pencil. And like we don't hold the pencil like this, we this.
Yeah.
We did the scribbling and everything. The classes was fun, and then second year came, and there was lockdown wala period, so we did suffer a little bit, but the faculties and everybody was so supporting that we came through that also. And yeah, it was a fun experience overall. The last third year and fourth year was the real academic pressure, because you come up with the bungalow designing, retail designing, and now we are going through the whole hotel designing. Then we'll be doing our thesis. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Which subjects are you enjoying? Tell me more about it.
Like my favorite subject out of all of them is sketching.
Okay.
It's like even I'm not good at sketching, but I quite enjoy it a lot right now. It's like सारा boxes बनाना, उसमें shading भरना, values देना, then like playing with the colors also, those tint tones and shades. So it's very much fun. It's like we put all our creativity in one thing, and then it's like hard to get a 10 on 10 on your sheet also.
Of course.
That's a good competition.
So you must be painting all those swatches of tints and tones and hues and everything.
Ma'am told us to first paint all of them, then she'll select 9 out of them, then we'll make the final sheet out of those 9.
Color wheels and everything.
Color wheel we haven't started yet, but yeah.
Okay. So like Even if you are having so much of stress and everything, we have had some events going on, freshers hua tha abhi, that must have helped you relieve a little bit of stress, nahi?
Yeah, I mean the fresher was very nice. I posted stories on my Instagram and everybody was like कि ये party कहाँ पर हो रही है हमें भी बता दो. And I told everybody it's a college fresher, so they were all shocked कि it's so cool that you have a psychedelic theme here. Even the Janmashtami wala event was very nice.
Yeah, right.
And with my friend group, everything is nice in this college.
Actually, the Janmashtami was the first time that we celebrated. Ganesh Chaturthi and the whole
Yeah.
Ganesh festival, we do it everywhere. Like it's like the, you know, pickup of the whole academic year for us. The academic year starts with the first festival as the Ganesh Utsav. And then the Janmashtami was the first time. So like even I was very happy that we are, you know, increasing the numbers of festivals that we are celebrating year by year. So yeah, it was very fun actually. So how was the psychedelic theme? Like you must be very surprised what we prepared for you.
It was very impressive. Like all the seniors painted that, and it was like very fascinating to watch everything. It was really nice.
I will just share a small experience about the preparation from the freshers. Like जो नया floor बना है अभी ऊपर, every class was occupied with the same thing, and जो ceiling वाला paint हो रहा था, we actually indulged the whole BFA department for that, and it was converted into their assignment, and they did such an amazing job. Like even we were surprised that oh my god, it was giving the real psychedelic Goa-ish vibes and fun was that.
Full mini Goa theme
I
it
know,
was.
right? I was tripping like wow. I had an injury, but I was dancing like crazy even with that injury.
Even the DJs were very good.
I know, right?
The techno was good.
Yeah.
So I heard that your team won in Athena last year.
Yes, Da Vinci won the Athena, the red team actually, and it was a hectic of an experience actually. Because you see कि मैं student council में भी थी and I was in charge of the decoration during the Athena. तो बाकी सारी टीम्स हर जगह पे मीटिंग्स ले रही हैं कि हमें क्या क्या करना है, बिकॉज हमारे पास सारे पार्टिसिपेशंस वगैरह की लिस्ट आ चुकी थी, एंड वी हैड टू यू नो सॉर्ट आउट एवरीथिंग कि कौन किस चीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट करेगा, कितना एलिजिबल है, कैसे पार्टिसिपेट होगा. आई हैड नो क्लू कि मेरी टीम कहाँ जा रही है, क्योंकि मैं डेकोरेशन में लगी हुई हूँ. आई एम ट्राइंग टू गैदर एवरीबडी कि ये भी डेकोरेट करना है, वो भी डेकोरेट करना है, ये वाला एरिया बचा हुआ है, इसमें क्या करेंगे, ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग एंड everything was such a hassle. And then finally by the end of the time my teammates started coming together धीरे धीरे, एक दो meetings हुई थी, and everybody was so you know outgoing and outspoken about everything कि we can do this, we can do that. They kept giving me ideas and they made me the leader who I was. They were giving me ideas so that I was able to listen to them. दो तीन बच्चे आए कि हमें म्यूरल में करना है, we have the ideas to do this and that, and we had a selection panel पूरा कि अगर म्यूरल बनना है तो यू हैव टू गेट योर म्यूरल्स का थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया देके उसको सिलेक्ट करवाना पड़ेगा, देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू प्रोसीड विद दैट. तो हमारा थोड़ा फिलोसॉफिकल साइड ज़्यादा था. तो हमने जो ग्राफिटी बनाया था दैट वाज आल्सो थॉट प्रोवोकिंग, देन हमारा म्यूरल वाज आल्सो थॉट प्रोवोकिंग, एंड हमने उसमें फिलोसॉफिकली ये चीज़ ऐड की थी कि जब स्टूडेंट्स कॉलेज में आते हैं देन दे गो थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस मेंटली एंड फिजिकली, तो हाउ दे कैन डील विद देम. तो उसमें एक कंसेप्ट था कि हमारा फैमिली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है उन चीज़ों में, तो एक हेल्पिंग हैंड का कंसेप्ट था. आई विल शो यू अराउंड द कॉलेज की वो म्यूरल का पूरा कंसेप्ट क्या था. उसमें फिर किंसुगी इज़ अ जापानीज आइडियोलॉजी जहाँ पर ब्रोकन बाउल्स को गोल्ड का यूज़ करके हील करते हैं, सो इट बिकम्स मोर ब्यूटिफुल देन इट वाज ओरिजिनली. द सेम इज़ विद द म्यूरल. उसमें हमने गोल्डन क्रैक्स दिखाए हुए हैं जहाँ पर द ह्यूमन इज़ ब्रोकन एंड द हेल्पिंग हैंड ऑफ द फैमिली इज़ हीलिंग एंड दैट इट्स फीलिंग द गोल्डन पार्ट्स ऑफ दैट किंसुगी वाला थिंग. दैट वाज वेरी इम्प्रेसिव. एंड देन यू नो my major motto was कि if somebody is coming to talk to you about anything, you should be open and you know listening to their views, because एक टीम है ना हम, so when we are working together we need to get each other's opinions. तो बच्चे मेरे को opinion देते थे and then I used to process the whole opinion and then create something more beautiful, and that's how we won the Athena.
That's really nice.
I know, right? It was very exciting. Like I was a little bit nervous. I had breakdowns. I was crying in front of Ritu मैम कि मैम मेरे को एक चीज़ हटा दो, या तो मेरे को लीडर बनाने से छोड़ दो या फिर मेरे को डेकोरेशन से हटा दो. But she gave me a lot of motivation that you have to do those things. Big thank you to Ritu ma'am. She has been supporting me a lot. So yeah, it was the overall experience. The decoration was also good, and then the Athena part was also fun because of her. We were staying late at nights, and there was a power cutout for a very short period of time. But everybody was like, कोई हिलेगा नहीं अपनी जगह पे से जो जहाँ पे भी है नीचे जल्दी से गैदर हो जाओ यहीं पे बैठे रहेंगे सारे एंड देन वी स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग अंताक्षरी दैट वाज एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस टू so yeah you will be participating in Athena this year.
Yes.
Are you participating in any clubs because we were preparing ourselves by participating in all the clubs that's why we were able to do that.
I took part in the gaming club because I'm really
Okay.
interested in gaming.
Nice.
So like I don't play much games, but yeah, I started with the basics like BGMI and Valorant, you know.
Yeah.
Just this much.
So like what is your experience? You go into the club and you sit there or you play or what?
Yeah, we
what's
just go
happening in
into the club. Everybody's playing. Like what a gamer needs is like shant jagah, a good environment. Everybody's playing. जाओ अपना खेलो आराम से जब जाना है वहाँ से चले जाओ.
But did you participate in that whole tournament wala thing that was going on?
No, I didn't know how to play that game, so I did not take part in
Okay.
that one.
I think there was a tournament of Valorant also like previous Sunday maybe.
This one was taken something,
Yeah,
so yeah,
okay.
I don't know how to play that.
Okay. Yeah, but we have the game club amazingly functioning. Let's see. And also during Athena there were game tournaments also. In that also the first and second both the position were secured by my team. So I was so happy. I was not expecting anybody to like, be participating with such a high spirit, and I didn't really need to, direct them much. They were so understanding and mature. They just had to come and tell to me that I want to participate. Then they will compete within themselves and select very fairly that who is capable of going actually into the competition. And they all were very understanding. Okay, he actually is playing better than me, so he should go further to, fight for the team. So yeah, they amazing students, amazing. So I heard that you were enrolled in some other college before and you shifted after 1 year there. So what brings you into Artemisha after that?
So like I joined another college. I went there for 4 months.
Okay.
Then I took a drop from there क्योंकि like उसके बाद दूसरे कॉलेज में एडमिशन भी नहीं हो रहा था.
right.
तो eventually I had to plan a drop only. तो like the whole drop year में ऐसा हुआ था कि I was like कि इंदौर में और कुछ भी नहीं है, नहीं करना है इंटीरियर, कुछ और कर लेती हूँ. इवन आई वाज लाइक मम्मा भी एकदम मान गई थी कि ओके वील स्विच टू अनदर कोर्स ओनली. ऐसे ही थोड़ा रिसर्च करते हुए वी वर लाइक कि ठीक है इंदौर में नहीं है तो वी कैन प्लान टू गो आउट बिकॉज अगर डैड का बिजनेस पूरा यहाँ है तो मैं बाहर जाके क्या करूँगी डिग्री लेके. तो पूरा एक्सपोजर तो यहीं से मिलने वाला था. तो वी जस्ट केम अक्रॉस ACAD एकदम लास्ट में एंड मम्मा वाज लाइक कि सारे देख लिए तो ये वाला क्यों छोड़ना है.
Right.
आई बीन लाइक ऑलमोस्ट इन ऑल द इंस्टीट्यूट्स ऑफ इंदौर, ऑल द कॉलेजेस जहाँ इंटीरियर डिग्री डिप्लोमा सब जो भी दे रहे हैं सारे देख कर आ चुकी थी. देन वी केम टू ACAD एंड इट वाज रियली नाइस. आई वेंट अराउंड द कॉलेज. इवन सर ने 3-4 सीनियर्स से मिलाया तो सबके एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था. इवन दे वर लाइक द फैकल्टी इज वेरी गुड. आई मेट आयुषी मैम सबसे पहले एंड शी वाज जस्ट चेकिंग सम शीट्स ओनली. तो उन्हें शीट्स भी दिखाई थी तो इट वाज लाइक या द वर्क इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. स्टिल ऐसा था कि मेरा मन माना नहीं था लाइक एक बार की विजिट में. तो व्हाट सर डिड वाज कि उन्होंने बोला था कि जो एग्जीबिशन लगा था IT वाला तो ही इनवाइटेड मी फॉर दैट एग्जीबिशन. And I even told Ayushi ma'am that I'll be coming for that exhibition. And ma'am को याद भी था तो the day when I came for the exhibition, she even texted me that are you here? So I told her yes ma'am I'm here. Then I even met Ayushi ma'am. I saw the whole work for the first year, second year, third year, and I was really impressed. So I decided that I'll join ACAD only.
So how is this college? ACAD is different from your previous college.
Both the colleges have a very drastic change. It's like my last college, it was like not even 2% of what this college has. So like in terms of everything, the faculty, the quality of work which we do, the students here, and even the events, everything, यहाँ पर सब कुछ है. The faculty is very good. They know what they are teaching. They are very knowledgeable. And they are like, you can just look up to somebody, na? Like
Right.
the way they even dress, the way they talk, the way they like show themselves to us. वहाँ पर it was not like this. It was just a teaching job for them, like आना है, पढ़ाना है, and then चले जाना है. तो the faculty का चीज़ is like it matters a lot because college में after all like events है, सब कुछ है, but काम तो सबसे ज़्यादा faculty आने वाली है ना.
I mean, yeah, right. Like the faculties, they come into the class and like little bit of the syllabus is covered, but the majority of things that they teach us are because of their personality and how they're dealing with the design problems, and they're guiding through us basically and not teaching anything. But the guidance is the teaching wala part actually.
That's very true. Even the syllabus matters a lot, like
Right.
what we are learning, हमें क्या काम आने वाला है. Like what I did in my last college, like for 4 months, it was like just water pollution की sheets, ecosystem की sheets. We had this subject EVS वाला, and उसमें कुछ तो भी चल रहा था. Even my mama was asking कि are you like in 5th grade or you were in college first year? What all are you making? एंड मैं अपने भाई की बुक्स में से डायग्राम्स निकाल के शीट्स पे बना रही थी.
Ecosystem.
इकोसिस्टम.
Oh my god.
Then we have so many different subjects here like graphics and all which are very main.
Right.
यहाँ पे we have a full format how to make it, even the lines and the intensities of the lines. We using different pencils for that. There we were like just using one pencil for everything, and very, you know, very leniently they planned all their syllabus
Curriculum.
to teach.
Hmm.
So it's very different in this one.
So you
in this college.
you must have covered a lot many things within the 2 or 3 months of your college
Yeah,
year.
like वहाँ की 4 महीने की sheets are compared to nothing over here what I did in first month only. Like we made 2 models. We made a group project lamp वाला.
Oh, nice. You're
And
already there.
so many sheets. Graphics में तो I guess we are done with 15 sheets almost. Yeah. History में भी everything is going good. The notes and all वो तो खुद से ही बनाने पड़ रहे हैं सारे.
Right, of course.
And form and space is also very nice.
And just to add on to your experience, like we have seen this कि जब भी हमारे नए juniors आते हैं, they always share something new कि हमने ये भी सीखा, and the upper seniors like the second year must have told you, हाँ, that thing we never got to learn. So you know every year they are upgrading themselves, teaching something new, adding something new. I heard one of my faculty saying कि हम project management first year को भी थोड़ा थोड़ा incorporate कर रहे हैं so that it will help you guys how to manage your multiple subjects at one time. So how is that helping you?
We even have this one project which is like third year वालों के साथ है ना history. तो we have to make a monument something like that and उसकी sheets बनानी है. तो we'll
Okay.
take help of the third year to help us compose the sheet. So it's like a group project something. So it will also be fun. It's gonna come in the upcoming weeks.
You
So
get to
I'm
collaborate with your
Yeah.
seniors and learn their perspective on the subject and how they are managing everything. Yeah, that must be exciting, right?
Very much. Even the quality of the students here are very nice. Like at least I am working here with some brains, you know, like everybody in my class is a nice competition for me. So it's fun to work and to like give your 100% in all the
Right.
sheets also. So it's very nice.
Healthy competition is always important to
Very
grow
much.
and nurture yourself, right? And there are other departments also. So have you get any time and moment to interact with other department students?
Yeah, I have a few friends from game design, animation design also. So how did these 3 years of learning helped you with your internship?
Okay, so my internship started when I was in the end of my third year, and हमें faculty ने बोला था कि internship ढूंढना शुरू कर दो, तो मैंने शुरू कर दिया था, and I was not expecting कि मुझे इतनी जल्दी internship मिल जाएगी. So when I appeared for the interview, majorly one thing that helped me was my personality, and all thanks to the faculties. वो ना हमारे faculties कहीं ना कहीं छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में हमें सब कुछ सिखाते रहते हैं. तो बहुत बेसिक्स चीज़ें होती है जैसे स्कर्टिंग हो गया या फिर तुम्हारा ब्रिक लेआउट कैसा होगा, तुम्हारी ड्राइंग्स में क्या क्या चीज़ें ऐड होती हैं. बहुत बेसिक्स होते हैं जो जनरली सिलेबस में कवर्ड नहीं होते हैं, लेकिन हमारी फैकल्टी उसको बातों बातों में सिखा देते हैं. तो जब मैं इंटरव्यू के लिए बैठी हुई थी तो मेजर क्वेश्चंस जब आप जाते हो इंटर्नशिप के लिए तो वो यही चेक करते हैं कि आपके बेसिक्स कितने स्ट्रॉन्ग है. एंड देन ही वाज आस्किंग मी क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम माय पोर्टफोलियो नहीं बनाने का टाइम मिला था मुझे अनफॉर्चुनेटली, तो मैंने बस एक पीडीएफ में सब कुछ असेंबल कर लिया था, बिकॉज आई वाज होपिंग कि मेरे को थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा ढूंढने में, बट मेरे को बहुत जल्दी मिल गया, तो मैंने उनको बस वो पीडीएफ शेयर कर दिया था, तो फिर वो उसी में से क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे थे। एंड थैंक्स टू द एवरीथिंग दैट आई कवर्ड ड्यूरिंग माई एकेडमिक्स, मुझे पता था कि मेरी कौन सी ड्राइंग में कितनी मिस्टेक है, तो वो जब पॉइंट आउट कर रहे थे कि यहाँ पर मिस्टेक है, तो उनको बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ रही थी कि मिस्टेक क्या है, बिकॉज आई वॉज टेलिंग देम कि हाँ ये मेरा यहाँ पे मिस्टेक हुआ था, बट आई एम नाउ अवेयर अबाउट दैट थिंग बिकॉज माई फैकल्टीज ऑलरेडी पॉइंटेड दोज थिंग्स आउट, राइट। सो यू गेट वन ऑन वन अटेंशन फ्रॉम एवरी फैकल्टी। कुछ फैकल्टी बहुत सॉफ्ट स्पोकन है, दे यू नो गाइड यू लाइक दे योर मदर, एंड दे विल बी लाइक कि ये चीज़ें ऐसे नहीं होती वैसे नहीं होती। फ्यू फैकल्टी विल बी लाइक कि ये शीट दोबारा करके लाना। वन ऑफ माई फैकल्टी, शी इज़ नॉट इन द कॉलेज एनी मोर, but she actually once tore the sheet of the student. That was the first time we saw that thing happening to us, and we were like ki, what just happened? Because in our first year we were studying online, so she never got a chance to tear our sheet. So when we came in the second year, she tore the sheet and we were like, okay. And then she was very kind about it ki when you are putting your heart into something, you put your 100%, so that when this happens, you feel bad because you actually worked very hard about it. So yeah, they teach us, you know, little lessons from our professional life in college only, so that when we are going for the internship, we are not completely new to the atmosphere. We have heard the tales and the legends of the professional life already in our college. So yeah, that sums up my whole 3 years of college life into my internship, I guess.
Even in our graphic sheets we get so much red marks.
I know,
हर
right?
चीज में we get comments and then we feel so bad. इतनी अच्छी शीट बनाई थी, बिल्कुल smudge भी नहीं हुई थी, and then वो पूरी red हो जाती है.
But one thing I learned was कि even if we are getting bad remarks and everything, हमें परफेक्शन पर इतना फोकस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. वो चीज़ सीखने को मिल जाती है कि इवन इफ आवर थिंग्स आर नॉट परफेक्ट, वी आर लर्निंग, वी आर ग्रोइंग. वो मिस्टेक्स पॉइंट आउट हो रही हैं, इसीलिए हम उसको सुधार पा रहे हैं इन द लॉन्ग रन. अगर हमें पहले ही मिल जाता कि हाँ ये शीट तो परफेक्ट है, वी वुड नेवर ग्रो एंड यू नो लर्न फ्रॉम आवर मिस्टेक्स. सो दैट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्रूशियल पार्ट फ्रॉम आवर फैकल्टी.
So do you have any suggestions for me for my upcoming years in this college?
Okay, I won't say be sincere because this is the college life. Of course, you need to enjoy every bit of. Be mischievous, be yourself, enjoy. Respect your faculties, your seniors. They are all very loving, and you have already seen that everything is so familiar, and it's like a small, big Acadian family. Continue living yourself. I'll suggest Kriti ma'am के लिए ना windows खोल देना. She doesn't like suffocation in the class. So if the flow of air is very good, she'll be like, okay, she's in a good mood to, you know, teach you. So it will be fun. Overall, the faculties are amazing. You won't suffer very much. Even Nishant sir is very supportive. So if you ever face anything about anything, just go to him, rant about it. And he'll totally be all ears about it, I tell you. He's an amazing person. And that was the whole SAR of this podcast. So just one last question. If we plan a trip for our department and our college, where would you want to go?
I like to go to Manali.
Oh, let's do Manali then. We'll see how it works out. Stay tuned to know कि हम मनाली गए थे या नहीं. So this was the 4th episode of AK Talks. Nice to be with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a lovely time.